Often we're asked by people who call with injury cases if they need to see a doctor immediately after being involved in a car accident. Well, in the state of Florida, one of the issues is that you have personal injury protection coverage that pays your medical bills, or the reasonable value of your medical bills. So if you don't see a doctor within the first 14 days, and maybe you have some kind of a latent injury which doesn't show up right away, but after a week, maybe even after 2 weeks, you feel some major kind of injury, you will, by not going to see a doctor in that first 2 weeks, you'll negate all of your coverage or all of your PIP benefits that you're paying for. So there are a couple of reasons, as I explain to people who call and ask about this, that you should go immediately after any kind of a car accident to be checked out by your family care physician or by an urgent care center. And that's because we don't always know if we're injured right away. Car accidents, even minor damage-causing car accidents, can cause major injuries. And some of them you don't feel right away. So it's always good to be checked out, go within that first 14 days, and truly, as we explain to callers, go as soon as you can, go that day. You don't always have to go to the emergency room if you're not bleeding and you know that you don't have a broken bone. You can go to an urgent care center, you can go to your family doctor, but you need to go as soon as possible and at least within the first 14 days for a couple of reasons. You want to make sure that you get the full value of the insurance coverage that you pay for those injuries, for treatment for those injuries, and you also want to make sure that you're being evaluated for any kind of latent injury that doesn't show up right away.